Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. Yeah, XRP's drop below 66 cents as already warned days ago, weeks ago. If that happens, it will open the door to a much deeper drop in a larger degree fourth wave. This scenario now shows us the next levels that I'm watching for a potential bottom. As you will remember, over the last few days, we looked at the price. We couldn't see any indication that XRP had formed a low. And this is now, the result of this is currently showing on the chart. Price has dropped below the 50% retracement level of the move that happened between July here, well, the 7th of July and the 13th, 14th of July high. Everybody got super bullish. You know how it works. When everybody's too bullish, you see a long-winded and very frustrating correction. So this is now either a larger degree fourth wave or something more bearish. So let's take a look at the different options. Certainly the most bullish potential for an immediate continuation to the upside has been invalidated. Well, not officially invalidated, but it has become so unlikely that we'll take it off the chart. So the idea is now that either this third wave already topped, so the C wave in wave 3 already topped, and in this scenario, so let's talk about that first. In this scenario, I'm looking at this as of wave 4 in a WXY correction. Again, still no indication that we have bottomed. So I explained it before, we need to see these 1-2 setups on the chart, because only a 1-2 setup higher would give us an indication that the next wave up has started. Until we see that, we need to be very, very careful here because the long-term chart is not very attractive. I highlighted that many times, but yeah. And again, just an explanation again. Just to visualize and emphasize again the importance of waiting for a 5-wave move up if someone wants clarity. So to really confirm that a lasting low has been made in January here, basically a bear market low, we need to see the 5 waves up. So far, we only have 3 waves. So it's always worth to remain grounded, not to vibrate out of one's chair if there is a news event, because most of the time these break down again. I mean, there was certainly the potential it could hold, but there was at no point a real confirmation that a low was in, right? So again, now this drop below 66 cents has opened the door to a drop first to 62, which was the next support area we talked about. It has arrived there now. And again, there is still no indication it has bottomed. So the next support after that would be 56.5 cents. So we now need to be watching for a sign that price is going to turn around to the upside. But at the moment, due to the drop below 66, I don't think that's going to happen quickly. And the next support will be 56.5 cents. And I say it very clearly, this support area is intentionally in orange. Channel members, and if you've been watching these videos, you know that the orange areas are, in my opinion, less reliable, because with the drop below 66 cents, it also has opened the door for a 3-wave top, so that we just topped in a larger WXY correction. I will actually highlight that on the chart now as alternative, because if we don't hold 56 cents, then we are going back into previous low regions around 45 cents, if not even lower. So WXY. Remember that we were waiting for another low anyway on the XRP chart, but obviously the rally here broke through imminent resistance levels. So we were focusing on higher now. We still are, but we need to remain cautious. And anybody who wants some clarity needs to wait for a 1-2 setup in this next wave up to get a confirmation that a turnaround is happening. At the moment, we're purely watching for relevant support levels if we see reactions. Now, if we say, okay, this here is a WXY structure, what would be the micro count? So the best micro count I can give you, let's go to the 1-hour chart. the best micro count I can give you. Let's see if we can come up with something. So I would certainly say this looks like an A wave. Let's put the B wave here and check where we need to place the B wave top exactly. So for me, this looks a bit like a triangle. We could say there's a potential for an A wave. Let's see if we actually get a triangle count here together. Maybe not. Okay. A wave, B wave. Okay, so this is too high. So so maybe it's not a triangle. Unless I can say we had an A wave here, we had a B wave here. Nah, there's no triangle. Well, it could be, but it would be a very weird one. So I'm not really happy with that. The only way you can count it as a triangle would be A, B, C, D, E. Complete out of proportion. Let's get rid of that. It's not a triangle, but that would have been my first view here, because I've seen a few triangles now on several crypto charts with a similar structure. But that would then mean that we probably place the B wave up here. And then I would say that this C wave is likely unfolding as an ending diagonal structure, because this is too choppy for anything else. So probably would say here a 3-wave move and a wave 1, then a wave 2, then here an A, B, and the C wave might be unfolding of the wave 3. So yeah, this could come down a little lower. But let's see. I mean, if we take the length of the wave A, because I'm just trying to figure out the end of the A wave, the projected end of the A wave. 1-to-1 ratio, 57 cents. We can certainly watch this level in addition to the other support levels here, 56.5 and 62.3 cents. Just be aware, this is suffering quite a lot, and there is absolutely no indication at this stage that a low is in, and the analysis should give you an idea how far we can drop before we see an attempt for the next reaction. But yeah, below 56 cents, I mean, this whole thing is breaking down, but we're not there yet. But then certainly this area around 45 cents will be interesting. And if we break below that, then we're talking about below 30 cents maybe, but you know, we're not there yet. So let's observe it. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.